No more drugs for that man.
Be shitting me!
Joking? In the wrong lane too.
Oh, what?
This could very well be the stupidest person on the face of the earth.
Ducky's still awake.
If he works on it tomorrow.
Fucking dickhead.
Who you going on dash cam, buddy?
You son of a bitch.
Russians spitting in the face of the UN Secretary General and the Turkish president who had brokered the deal. But Russia
Take it easy, will you? I gotta think.
Who's that guy?
Yeah, Scotty. Look at him go, baby. Woo! I'll be bringing that one in.
And I kind of said, yeah, I agree, but then like you go on wedding TikTok and I think the brides get obsessed with an aesthetic. Yeah.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this.
And all the girls look the same, and honestly, it's toxic behavior. It's so bad because we're all unique individuals.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Oh Lord, what is that? What is this? What happened?
You bloody idiot.
What's that? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Oh, he's just being...
So the man is wrong or the car is wrong or what is
No, the...
Ew.
later. There was a bloody line-up outside that little coffee shop the other day.
Yeah, way to go, dickhead.
Yeah.
Typical friggin'... Like, Jesus Christ, how much fucking rain do you want? The area's there shopping in Fulham as well. Do you look at Leeds business and feel encouraged by it? And the shape of the squad and the balance of the squad?
The balance of the squad is so much better now. It is. You have midfielders to choose from, and I think a few people have said to me, I'd like to see another centre mid in there. I think actually the right thing to do is to have, you know, a group of a more experienced group. So you've got Forshaw.
A few moments later,
reached, you know, the 4 centre backs there, 4 centre backs who realistically look to be a, you know, how am I going to play? Yeah, I know players always back themselves to get in the team and everything else, but there comes a point, doesn't there, where there are so many players in there that you think, am I actually going to get much of a game? Which is where Creswell's reached, you know, the 4 centre backs there, 4 centre backs who realistically look to be ahead of him in Marsh's mind, therefore go somewhere else. And I think they have to get another forward. I really do feel like there needs to be another forward in there, because that was
Because obviously they couldn't do it last year because of the pitch, and we requested an away game first, didn't we? Which we got obviously at Man United.
Shit!
And we start at home this time, so it'd be nice to get back in there and get in the groove early.
They had Villarreal last.
To your appearance there with an arrest warrant.
Typical John Milligan reaction. He was cool as a cucumber. He said, "Good afternoon." I told him I was from the Narcotics Bureau, showed him my ID. Come on in. No, it didn't faze him at all. And I told him, do you mind if we have a look around? No, it didn't faze him at all. And I told him, do you mind if we have a look around?
I know. You fucking idiot.
What? Oh, that's still up for sale. And if he gets any closer up his arse, he's going to hit him. What the fuck? You idiot!
Fucking female driver. I should fucking ring them up and say, you got a Sheila driving a car, and that just almost caused a 3-car fucking pile-up.
Yeah, it would be.
Except I didn't read the car properly.
One minute later.
is everyone so fucking stupid?
Hey, what do you think, Scotty? You gotta like that one.
Oh, God. Jesus Christ. Hello.